Welcome everybody back to Jet Jockey RC. We're here today with a brand new Freewing F-22 90mm EDF jet with built-in DJI FPV systems and cooling. I've also got some 3D printed bits that make it look ultra realistic. Okay, we're flying SMC 8S 5300 packs. These are high voltage. These have been extremely good, really fast, really powerful batteries. We're going to go ahead and just pop the canopy and show you how I put it in here. Now this is just the standard strap. I showed you guys already how to do this umbilical cord. So go ahead and just stick the battery right here, and the strap kind of lines right under the front here, right where this connector is here. And this is perfectly good right here. And let's just go ahead and plug it in. Okay, let's go ahead and close the canopy and do a quick controls check. Just stuff all that umbilical cord back in there. Okay. Okay, everything looks okay. Let's go ahead and get it on the flight line. With all FPV systems included, including DJI O3 and a cooler fan inside. I've also got some 3D printed bits inside that make this thing look ultra realistic. I'll see you on the flight line. Whoa, ah, yay!
I'm Kermit the Frog here.
That was questionable, but perfect at the end. I don't know what to say. Okay, we just landed here. Let's go ahead and check our battery pack. This is a SMC.
I mean, there's 2 propellers to avoid. I don't know.
5300. Let's see right after the flight how we did. So 3.9 across all the cells.
That was nice.
Hard to see in the sun here, but 63%. Yeah. Welcome back from the flight line. We just got finished flying this brand new F-22 and we've got her back. It was a little bit crazy with all the landings and it was a lot of crosswind, but we definitely could handle it. I want to thank everybody for watching and we'll see you next time on Jet Jockey RC.